Hi, bro. Can you see yourself?
Hey, come eat me. Come eat my finger. You know you want it. Yeah, I think he's trying to eat me.
That's good. Stand still, dude. The tree monitor is looking right at you.
London, we just told you. You need to hold it open to the stroller.
He's trying to eat my face. He's trying to eat my face.
Treat.
Why do they look like that? They're up in the tree. Do you not see?
I do.
Look at me, Daddy. Can I please have a drink? Dad, can I please have a drink? Dad, there's one on the ground over there. He picked up a stick. Oh, wait. He picked up a stick. Hey, look at the way.
That really hurt my finger.
Hello? What's his name?
His name is Magellan.
Oh, look at that. Soaking in the sun. Yeah.
Pretty bird.
Oh, don't. Wow.
Make sure we give him his space, though.
I'm a pretty
Yeah, you're beautiful, buddy. Yeah, you're beautiful, buddy.
Pretty bird. Pretty birdie bird. Pretty birdie bird.
Yeah. That's so,
I'm a pretty
so
pretty
cool.
bird. What color is that?
Look at that. He's opening the bag. He's opening up the bag.
That's awesome. Yeah, I'm definitely.